How to create a Google form survey questionnaires. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a Google Forms survey questionnaires. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing that you'll need to do is open up your Google Chrome. After you open it up, simply search for forms, or you can simply search for Google Forms as well, and head over to the Google Forms. This is the website right here. Head over to docs.google.com/forms. After you're there, you'll get different templates right here. If you find a template that you like or you want to use, you can simply use that. Else, you can create a new form from blank. So I'll just choose a blank one from here. Now you can just title it, you can just name it whatever you want. So I'll just do this here first, and you can even add a description. So I'll just do that, and after you do that, you will get to this section. Now right here, you will be able to just type in your question. So I'll just type in name here, and there you will see it automatically changes into that type. Now if you don't want it to change it to that type, simply choose this option where you can check multiple type of input type, and right here you'll see short answer for names. That's okay, that's fine. And there is another option as well, that is the required option. If you toggle this on, whoever is filling this form must fill out this option as well. After doing that, tap on the plus icon, you'll get to the next question. And if I tap on address here and just do that here, yeah, that works too. Now you can choose multiple here, so let me just do this here, this or that. So I'll just make it sure that it is multiple question, and right here you will be able to type in your options as well. So just do that. You can do that. You can add multiple choices here. You can add up to, I don't know how many, but you can add up to a lot of questions, and just keep on doing that. You can create a lot of forms. As you can see, there are different types. You can even add a drop down, check boxes, paragraphs, your file upload and stuff like that, even date and time. So after doing that, after you've created this form completely, you can publish it. Tap on the publish button, and after you do that, you can simply tap on publish, and you can share the link from here as well. So tap on copy responders link, tap on copy, and now you can share this link so that other people can fill this form out, and then you can check the responses right here. And that is how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.